So I was a history and African American studies major undergrad, and I originally didn't want to go to law school. Um, I actually started a master's program for history, and I thought I wanted to get my PhD so that I could teach. After that first year of my master's program, I realized that, there was more of an emphasis on research than the teaching aspect. And I love research, but I didn't really want to just sit in the library for the next 7 years of my life. And so I decided to take a break. After taking a year break, I decided to apply to law school. And during that first year of law school, it was really affirmation for me in that I thought that this was the perfect career path for me.
I think seeing my dad and kind of what he did for his clients. So my dad's an attorney and he is a bankruptcy attorney. And, during the pandemic, it was especially hard in many ways. I can't go into too much detail about that, but he was just really there for his clients and kind of went the extra mile to make sure that they were taken care of. And that really inspired me and made me realize I felt like my skills were more akin to being an attorney and advocate than maybe someone in healthcare. And so I knew I was making the right decision by going to law school.
I am from Long Island, New York, born and raised there my whole life. And I've always been surrounded, I don't want to say just politics, but government work in itself. My family's very active within the communities with get out the vote drives and instilling the importance of education. And I knew I wanted to be an attorney since I was 10 years old. And really it was because I wanted to be president at 10 years old. And I read, most presidents were lawyers. So I guess that's what I have to do. Got to suck it up and do what I need to do. And I just stayed on that path pretty much.